everybody, it's Scott Amato back for another Minecraft video. Hope everybody's having a great day. Guys, in this video I'm going to show you a cool little free app for Windows and an equivalent app for Mac OS, although I haven't tested it, but it's supposed to work similarly, called OnTop Replica. All right, and it's a free app. You get it from the releases section here, and I'll leave a link in the description for this GitHub page. Okay, so what it does, guys, is you need to have a full screen borderless window. All right, I've got a couple instances of Minecraft open here. Let's try this one first. This is just a flat world. Okay, and so you can go and use borderless Minecraft. I have a video about this on the channel about how to get these borderless full screen windows. I'll leave a link to that in the description. Basically, you just choose go borderless. Let's go ahead and put both of them. It gets confusing when they're the exact same version of Minecraft. One of them's labeled single player, one of them's not. But with this app, OnTop Replica, it's just a regular Windows app once you install it. So just open it, and it will allow you to clone any window and view it as a picture-in-picture on your screen, and then adjust it. And guys, this has tons of uses. So like here in Chrome, if I went and searched for Minecraft houses, for instance, and saw a house that I wanted to use for inspiration in a build, and then open that house, right click and choose open image in new tab, and then saw that image in another tab, then I could use this to link to that. So you right click on it, you choose select window. I would select that Chrome tab that I have right there, and then it'll show it in picture-in-picture. So guys, when I go back into Minecraft, I can use that as inspiration to build or whatever. I can move it anywhere on the screen that I want, and I can resize it. I can also double click to make it full screen. Now it's not, you can't interact with it, it's just a still image of it, but if there's a video player and stuff, it will play, or a game in the background or something like that, you know, it's not paused in full screen. But you can also go in and right click and choose select region. All right, so with the select region, you can just get the region of interest that you're interested in, and you draw a selection out, and then it'll zoom it into that. And then you can go through and edit the selection that you want, or choose done. And again, you can zoom in. So like if I select region and I'm just interested in doing the roof, then I could just see that section of the roof. Guys, that is so cool and so useful to be able to do that. All right, and there's tons of uses for it. I mean, you could have like instructions for something. You could have like a redstone machine schematic that you're trying to build. You could have, you know, like certain websites that you're monitoring, or social widgets, or I mean, there's just tons and tons of uses for it, guys. So another quick example is like using the website GrabCraft. Let's see, let me go back to Chrome. GrabCraft will show you blueprints for stuff. Okay, so here's a blueprint for one. Let's go back so we can see what it is. This site's a little slow sometimes, but let's just go back, and it has a lot of these blueprint type schematics on it that'll show you how to build stuff layer by layer. So if you're just wanting to get a floor plan or something like that, again, sorry, the site's kind of slow. It just is. I don't know that it's always this slow, but I've noticed today it's incredibly slow. So I'm looking at this unfurnished Nordic medium house. And so you go in and you look at blueprints, or you can see it as an object or whatever, tell you the block count and all that kind of stuff. So you can go in and you can see this window is mirroring everything of that size that's on the window, and then I can monitor it, you know, so I can see when this slow website finally decides that it's going to load. All right, but let's let that happen. Gosh, it's slow. Come on, guy, what is your issue today? It might always be like that, I'm not actually sure, but wow, is it slow. All right, there we go, finally. Okay, so like I said, go to your world, and then you can right click on it and choose select region, reset it. So you could just get the region of interest that you want. We need to scroll down in the window to get to the part that we want to see. So we'd scroll down here and you can see it's reflected in there. Then go back to the game and select just the blueprint for that layer. Now, again, the window's not interactive, so like you can't go to the next page. You'd have to go back to the window and stuff to be able to see it, but still so very useful. And you can make it to where it's not clickable. If you right click and you go in advanced, then you could set it to enable click-throughs where it's not clickable, but in that case you'd have to go back into your system tray to the app and engage with it there to be able to click on it again. All right, but you can set the opacity of it. May have already demonstrated that, I don't remember, but you could set the opacity to be less. There's just a lot of really cool stuff that you could do. So I did want to show you that you can actually have another instance of Minecraft as well. So if I right click and I choose select the window, and then I choose my other version of Minecraft, all right, there I have it there in the window. How cool is that, guys? So again, it's not interactive I can't click to it, but if I left it like that and then switched over, I have pause and background set, so you'd want to turn off the pause in the background in the game, which you can do. But like I said, I could see that Minecraft window in there, and that's very cool. Now you can, again, double click on it to make it full screen. Now this is just the image, so I double click out, but I can choose switch to window, and then it'll switch over to that window, and then I can go back to my other one, and there it is. So I can keep switching back and forth. That's the full screen. There's the window right there in my regular game. It's actually over itself, which is something you can do as well. Let me see. It's a little confusing, obviously, with two paused games, but guys, so super cool to be able to do that. And there's a lot of uses. There's a lot of uses for it, but it depends on having that borderless full screen window. So follow that video link in the description. Actually, I'll put a card over the top as well, and so you can see how to get this set up. But OnTop Replica, and then let me just demonstrate there is one for the Mac as well that performs a similar function, I think, and it's called Picture in Picture, and it's on GitHub as well. So I'll leave a link to this GitHub, and then you can get the releases from there. And it's been updated within the last few months or so, so it should work on the newest Mac operating systems. Then when you're done with this window, you just right click on it and choose close, and there you go. And when you want to get it, you'll open the app again. But OnTop Replica, very cool piece of software. Anyways, it's got Amato, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked, then leave a like. I do so much appreciate it. And have a great day. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.